Hello, Merry Christmas. I'm going to share with you the Eskelund family's traditional must-have holiday dish, which is our cranberry chutney. You can see this is something that makes a lovely gift. It's very often something I use as a hostess gift. We replace it with traditional cranberry sauce. We use it in place of traditional cranberry sauce. It makes a great addition to a charcuterie or with some cheeses. It's great for glazing a ham. So it's just one of those things you can use a lot of different ways. Like I said, it's our absolute must-have. So we're gonna start with just fresh whole cranberries there. You're adding half a cup of water, 1 cup of fresh squeezed orange juice, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, and a small to medium onion chopped, and then 3 tablespoons of either apple cider or raspberry vinegar. And this all just gets cooked together. You're gonna boil it in the pot. It'll take a few minutes to get those cooked down. The cranberries need to burst, and the sugar will help everything to gel together. So we'll give that a few minutes to cook and check back in. Okay, so I've let this simmer for about 15 minutes. Usually bring it up to a boil and then let it simmer about 15 minutes, and you can see it gets really thick and all the different ingredients break down. You get that nice dark cranberry color. And we want it to be, we like it to be a little bit saucy. If you cook it a little longer, it'll get thicker, more like a thick jam. So you can sort of pick your consistency. Then you just remove it from the heat. And after you're finished cooking, you add in a couple tablespoons of freshly grated orange zest and a cup of walnuts, and stir them in. So this will add a little more texture to it. Also, you get that good nutty flavor. And then you're just gonna refrigerate this until you're ready to use it. If you're going to can it to give as gifts, then you would want, while it's hot like this, to do a hot pack in sterilized jars, and they will literally seal themselves if you put it in hot like this. You've got a high enough sugar content that and enough acid from the cranberries that you'll get a good tight seal. So that is a very simple addition to any holiday meal.